Hey there beautiful friend, welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to change time on your phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings app. Once you're in the phone main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the general management option, click on them. After that, look for the date and time option, tap to open it. Here at the very top, look for the automatic date and time option. Right now this option is turned on. Simply turn it off first. After that, find the set time option. Once you found them, click on it. Here you can set the exact time if you like. For example, I am set 12. Then also set the minute time if you like. For example, 00. This means 12 p.m. Confirm by tapping the done button at the very bottom. And that's it, how you can easily change your time on your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.